Hey guys, welcome back. It's Bailey and Binks here today. Also ignore my bed, it's not made. I'm about to do laundry, but I thought today would be a fun day to film to kind of keep me productive. But I need to go grocery shopping, I want to clean my apartment, and I need to do some laundry. So I thought I could do all of that in today's video. It's about 1:30 right now. I woke up like a little after 11, so I slept in, got my sleep. I took a shower, put on a little makeup so I could like feel better about myself. Bag secured. Kroger was literally too crazy for me. Sundays are obviously very popular for grocery shopping, and it was a madhouse, but you know, we made it out alive. All right, I am back from Kroger and Trader Joe's. I have all my groceries in this little cart. You can't even see. It's covered. Binks is already checking it out. From Trader Joe's, I got these beautiful hydrangeas and some baby spread. I was gonna get some flowers at Kroger, but the selection was very poor. So we knew Trader Joe's would come through. I'm gonna do Trader Joe's because there's not a lot real quick. I got these new crackers. They're strawberry and jalapeno crisp. Said it's really good with cheese. And then I got some Hold the Cones. The chocolate is my favorite. So out of these, they're like a really good treat to have. And then I got one of these little coffees. If you've never had one of these coffees, you definitely should try. And then last thing I got is just some goat cheese to go with these crackers. And I just thought the pink box, it was really doing it for me. Next up from Kroger, moving on, I got some ground turkey because I'm going to make some tacos, I think. And then I got some broccoli. I got some lemons for lemon water. Need to get better about drinking lemon water. I got some Lipton soup. This is the extra noodle. I just like to have this on hand. And then I got some bread. This is the 45 calorie bread. I've never tried it before, but I think Brooke Michio mentioned it when she was doing Weight Watchers, so I thought I'd try it out. Binks is like going crazy. I got some turkey for some sandwiches. This is actually golden roasted chicken breast. I always call it turkey, but I guess it's roasted chicken breast, but really good. And then I got these tortillas. These are carb counters. I've never tried these before. I honestly just bought them because the expiration date wasn't until September. Then I got some cream of chicken. I got 2 cans of this because I'm also going to be making poppy seed chicken towards the end of this week. Some sour cream to go along with that casserole and the tacos. I got some bananas, a red pepper. Oh shoot, what's this called? Pablo pepper, I think. I might have said that wrong. And then I got a white onion. I got the pepper for this like flatbread that I wanted to recreate from HelloFresh. It's like that pepper. It has red onion in it, which I also grabbed. And then pineapples. I just got this mini one because you need some of the juice, and I thought this was like perfect, and it reminded me of what HelloFresh had. Moving on, I got some Special K. This is the red berries, my favorite. I always get the family size because I go through that. I have that like almost every day. And then Kroger finally got Chomps. I love Chomps. These are like the mini ones. They're even like smaller than the ones that I normally buy from from Trader Joe's. These have 6 in it, and I like the mild. So yeah, I thought these were cute, good for a little snack. I got some powder PB2 for smoothies, or just like to sprinkle on toast and with the bananas. And then I got the crispy thin for my like flatbread. I couldn't find where to buy flatbread. I don't know if you like need to make it yourself. I don't know why I'm not in focus, but yeah, I didn't find that. I got 2 of the Annie's shells, the white cheddar kind. This is the best kind. I was not an Annie's girl until I tried the white cheddar, and that's just a staple to have in the kitchen. I got some taco seasoning to go with the tacos, or not making tacos, I'm making quesadillas, I should say. And then here's the other cream of chicken I was talking about. And then I got 3 chicken ramens, just another good thing to have as a staple. Oh my gosh, my counter's filling up. Some Ritz crackers for the poppy seed chicken. I got one of these juices. This is the Arden's Garden fruit smoothie. This is the Complete Recovery. It has apple juice, orange juice, strawberries, bananas, and yeah, it's like pretty good. Sounds pretty good. This is local, so I thought that would be fun to support. Oh my gosh, I just gotta chill on my back. I grabbed 2 Celsiuses because I did just buy some Celsius from Target yesterday. I got a sparkling Fuji apple pear, that's my favorite kind, and then I got a sparkling kiwi guava. They just have a deal where if you buy 2, it's $4. Moving on, I got some chicken breast. This is just good to like freeze, but I'm gonna need 2 of those for the poppy seed chicken. And then I almost dropped this. And then I got a green pepper for the quesadillas. Also, please do not come for me. I did not bring my reusable bags because I knew, actually I don't have an excuse. I just did not bring them, so I'm very sorry. I try to use reusable bags, but also I do keep all these plastic bags if you're curious, because I use them to clean out my litter box, so actually was in need of these plastic bags. I do reuse them and repurpose. And then I got some red wine vinegar just to have in the pantry. It's needed for the flatbread. And then I got some white grape juice. I love white grape juice. It's perfect. I like to drink it out of a wine glass, pretend it's wine because I'm a child. And then I got some milk. I like Fairlife. I get the 2% reduced fat. I got some body armors. These are the peach mango. These are my favorite flavor. I've been craving some popcorn, so I got the Orville's Natural Light Classic Butter and Sea Salt. These are just 3 little bags, but I grabbed that. I thought that was a little bit healthier. I wasn't gonna buy these, but this is the last like chocolate chip cookies they had that are the Toll House, like Nestle. And I was like, well, you know what? I think it's a sign. And I'm gonna be on my period next week, so you know, we gotta prepare. Kodiak cakes, I got a brownie in a cup. These are really good and have some protein in there. And then I got the muffin. This is the double dark chocolate muffin. This is also really good to have for breakfast, or you can even have it for dessert. And then I got these beVita bites. The chocolate is my favorite, but I also like the brown sugar. Advil sinus, because my sinuses have been acting up. And then last thing, we got some fresh mozzarella sliced. But that is everything that I got. I'm glad I could quickly show you. Now I'm gonna put everything up. All right, is this good? I got 2 things from Amazon. I also got this Coke at Kroger because I was dying of thirst. Gosh, Coke, sponsor me. Let me just move that out of the way. This one I know is a cat toy because my cats have been playing with the toilet paper roll, and I'm trying to buy them some new toys. Not get this open. I filmed a little haul from Target and TJ Maxx yesterday that I'm gonna insert somewhere in this vlog, but I also got them some more toys. Okay, so this is the cat toy I got. I'm shaking it. Binks is curious. I got the blue one because I thought, or it's literally at the front of this. I got the blue one because I thought the blue one was cuter. I think this toy is probably gonna be so annoying, but I know that Binks will like it. Okay, Binks is already playing with one of the balls. So I got these cute little toys. This is all from Target. This is a flamingo, and he has a little feather, and then I got this pineapple, and they make this like crinkly sound. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. That Binks is obsessed with. Bunny doesn't really care for these types of toys, but Binks loves these toys. No ma'am, no. Did she just scratch on the couch? I'm gonna look back this footage and get on to you. I will say they're not bad about scratching the furniture really, because I have that scratcher. But here it is. Oh my god, look at the little legs. So cute. Oh, you can't even see its eye. So cute. Let's test it out. Okay, he didn't care. He really wants this pineapple. I should just become like a cat channel, like at this point. But this one's really cute. Oh, she loves the feathers. Bunny's a big feather girl. She loves feathers. And then I got this other cat toy. This is supposed to be good for scratching, exercise, independence, comfort, what does that say? Interaction, care, hunt, explore, and privacy. This is like a little toy that you can suction cup to your window. So we're gonna try her out. Binks is very interested. I guess she smells the catnip that was like on this, and she's like rubbing her face all over it. So I don't really know. Bunny, do you like that? Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. They're going crazy over this. I think it's because it smells like catnip, but they're rubbing their face all over it. Oh, they're so silly. Oh, Bunny's gonna test it out. She's curious. Look at her little reflection. Oh, that's so precious. I got a new laptop case. The cats like chewed the corners of mine and it like cracked. So I got this one. I'm usually a pink girl, but I've been like into this like green. I'm literally kind of matching. This is like a cuter green. I just think that's so cute. I just got Fanola. This is the purple shampoo that I use. But they had like this little duo where you could get their like brunette version, because purple shampoo, if you're unfamiliar, will help with brassiness because it corrects yellow tones. But if you have any orange tones that needs to be correct, you need to use blue shampoo. So since I'm like, I guess considered a blonde, brunette and blonde, this should work good. I love the purple shampoo. This is the only purple shampoo that I've used that I can like actually tell a difference with. And the last thing I got is this eucalyptus. It's obviously dried, but I thought I'd put it in the vase that's next to my desk. I'm not sure if it's gonna look good there. We're gonna see. It's a lighter color than I thought it was, but let's test it out. Oh, it's cute. I think it looks cute. What do we think? I think it's cute. It was like, I think $6. Okay, let's build this little toy for Binks. He's already playing with this little ball.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night.
It's much later now. I've cleaned the apartment. I'm so tired. I'm sitting down and I just made myself some Annie's mac and cheese, the white cheddar kind. So good. I'm probably gonna take a shower after this, wash off my makeup, and then I wanted to work ahead for work this week because I think this week is gonna be a little crazy. So I wanted to get kind of like a head start because I know a lot of things are gonna be due tomorrow and I just don't know how Monday's gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.